gone by and I miss you. I can't describe what you've been through, but you're gone. We do what we believe in, set a goal and stop dreaming. I'm not saying you're wrong, but every time you're going in, I'm asking myself why. Hoping, oh just hoping you won't go. I know you're proud of me, you're holding your head high. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, cause I know I'll get you back. Though I know your mind is criminal, it don't matter, no, that you're going in again. I know I'll get you back. Though I know your mind is criminal, I got women for you, man, when you're coming out again. You know I could have been with you, done what you've been through. I had a chance to choose. When enough's enough, will you know it? When you reach your goal, will you hold it? I'm afraid you're gonna lose. But every time you're going in, I'm asking myself why.